A guy checks into an unknown hotel for the night. After a while, he starts hearing strange, unsettling noises in his room. Confused and a little scared, he gets up and turns on the light. But the noise doesn't stop. He listens closely and realizes it's coming from behind the mirror. Slowly, he walks toward it. He picks up a small piece of paper and carefully tries to slide it behind the mirror. But the moment the paper goes in, something from inside grabs it and yanks it in with force. The guy freezes, because now he knows he's not alone in the room.